I know this is the most basic back to school video ever, but you guys asked for it, so here it is. First up in the main compartment, I have my handy dandy pencil case. It's the 100 Pens Kipling pencil case, and it does the job. I'm still looking for the perfect pencil case, so let me know down below what your favorite pencil case is for school so I can see your recommendations and check them out myself. I usually have a random notebook in here as well for notes, doodles, to-do lists that I feel like writing. Any miscellaneous things I need to write down will go in here. Sometimes I'll have a textbook or two in here as well, but I usually either just leave them all at home or leave them all in my locker, just depending on what I need to study for during that evening or the weekend. Whatever I need, I will bring home, and that'll obviously be in my backpack. The main thing in my backpack, the thing that keeps me organized, is my binder. I would not be able to live without this. It has all of my notes that I write. I keep them all in here, and if you want to learn how to organize like me, just click the video that's up in the card. Last year I used this plastic zipper thingy to organize my papers for math because the paper I used had a different size hole than my binder, and it just made my life easier. But this year I think I'm just gonna stick with using my binder. And then moving on to the back compartment, the laptop pouch. Surprise, surprise, I keep my laptop in there. I have a MacBook Pro. In the front pouch, I keep my phone, headphones, mints. Sometimes I'll throw in a lip balm or a couple pens. And usually by the end of the year, I'll fish out a necklace, some hair ties, randomness that I just throw in there, and wrappers, whatever. And that is pretty much everything I keep in my backpack. It's pretty simple. I also sometimes have my water bottle in here, but it doesn't usually fit in the side pocket, so I usually just have to carry it around with me. And that is everything that is in my backpack. I try to keep it pretty simple, but usually a lot of stuff just accumulates in there, so I really recommend making sure you go through your backpack maybe like every time you have a break, like a Christmas break and March break or spring break, whatever you have. Just go through and look through and take out anything that doesn't necessarily need to be in there because it can really weigh down your bag. I really love watching these what's in your backpack videos from other people, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching what's in my backpack. So make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to be notified if you want to see more of my face. I also made a really short playlist for you with my best back to school tips. So if you want to watch that, all you have to do is tap or click the screen. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.